If you think Bali is overrated, it's probably because most Indians end up visiting the wrong Bali and waste a lot of time and money doing it. This guide shows you the side of Bali most people don't talk about. Bali, the island of the gods. What to expect? Golden beaches, rice fields, jungle temples, coral gardens, misty volcanoes, water sports, Bali swing, and sunsets that seem more charming than a dream. Bali is adventurous and laid back all at once. The waterfalls here are picturesque with a dedicated space to change your clothes. So, you can jump in for a splash without any second thoughts. Did you know Bali has over 20,000 temples? No wonder it's called the island of the gods. Is this your kind of escape? 1. If you're seeking peace, meditate in Ubud's lush retreats or stay in rice-field villas. 2. Cultural lovers will be delighted to witness centuries-old rituals, temple dances, and royal palaces. 3. Adventure enthusiasts will find thrill in flying the Bali swing, trekking a live volcano at sunrise, diving with manta rays, or surfing Bali's waves. 4. Food lovers definitely try spicy satay, fragrant nasi goreng, or sip the world's rarest coffee. 5. And for those looking to unwind, floating breakfasts, beach clubs, infinity pools, and the various spa treatments will certainly leave you rejuvenated. Best places you can't miss. 1. Ubud. Lush rice terraces, misty waterfalls, jungle ravines, and sacred temples will enchant you. Soar on the Bali swing, zip line through jungle canopies, or stroll along hidden paths. Must visits here. Tegalalang rice terraces for endless green steps that look hand-carved by the gods. Sacred monkey forest to spot mischievous monkeys guarding moss-covered temples. Elephant cave or Goa Gaja to witness a 9th century sanctuary with mysterious carvings. Kampuhan Ridge Walk for scenic strolls. Ubud markets to shop for Tokpati's hand-woven textiles. Cheluk's gold and silver jewelry, and Maz's wood carvings. Village tour to stroll through these quiet villages, rice paddies, and traditional homes for a taste of authentic Balinese life. 2. Seminyak. Think chic resorts, vibrant nightlife, designer boutiques, and cocktails by the sunset. Must visits here. Seminyak Beach for golden sands, fiery sunsets, surfboards, and lounges. Potato Head Beach Club for an iconic infinity pool with a tropical vibe. Jalankayu Aya for boutique shopping and hip cafes. Petitenget Temple for a peaceful retreat. 3. Uluwatu. Here, temples sit right above crashing waves, and the ocean turns into a playground for surfers. Must visits here. Uluwatu Temple for sunset and ocean views. Kechak dance performance. Padang Padang Beach. Single fin to enjoy vibrant parties at the cliff top bar. 4. Nusa Penida. About a 45-minute scenic boat ride from Bali, it's more than just a day trip. Staying overnight here lets you soak in its cliffs, hidden coves, and dreamy viewpoints without any hurry and excess crowd. Must visits here. Kelingking Bay for the famous T-Rex cliff, Broken Beach to watch the natural stone arch carved by the sea, Angel's Billabong to see an infinity pool created by nature, Crystal Bay for strolling on white sands and snorkeling with technicolored reefs. 5. Kintamani and Mount Batur. Wake up in the dark and climb through volcanic trails for a scenic sunset. Must visits here. Mount Batur Sunrise Trek offers views from this famous Kintamani volcano, the ultimate reward for early risers. Lake Batur to spot the calm crater lake reflecting the peaks and skies. Toya Devasya hot springs to soak in thermal pools with mountain views. Coffee plantations to taste Bali's famous Kopi Luwak in its homeland. 6. Gili Islands. A trio of tiny islands, here walking barefoot is a way of life. No cars, no traffic, only bicycles, horse carts, turquoise waters and sandy paths. Days are for water sports, cycling along palm-fringed beaches, or lazing with a book in a beach cafe. Evenings glow with sunset swings, night markets, beach barbecues, and bonfires under starlit skies. Must do here. Snorkel and scuba dive. To swim with turtles and see underwater sculptures at Gili Meno. Enjoy island hopping between Trawangan, also called the Party Island, Meno and Air. Visit Gili Meno's Turtle Sanctuary to spot tiny turtles being raised here. Play water sports like paddleboarding, kayaking or skiing. Unwind with a Balinese massage with waves as soundtrack. Board a catamaran cruise for endless ocean views. Voya Insider tip. Rent a bike or cycle to enjoy a scenic ride along the roads of the Gili Islands. 7. Kuta, the original beach town that made Bali famous. Surfboards chasing waves, golden sands packed with energy, and a party vibe that doesn't quit. From bustling markets to late-night music, Kuta is unforgettable. Must visits here. Kuta Beach to learn surfing or simply lounging on the beach. Beach Walk Mall to shop trendy items. Kuta Art Market for local crafts, sarongs and souvenirs. Waterboom Bali for thrill slides and lazy rivers. Pandava Beach for golden sands, water sports and beach volleyball. Voya Insider tip. Hop a fast boat from Kuta to the Gili Islands. Then explore the shores by charming horse-drawn cart or Sidamo. 8. Benoa Beach. Calm waters make it perfect for jet skis, parasailing and banana boat rides. Must visits here. Glass bottom boat ride to peer into colorful coral worlds. Sunset cruise to unwind. Tanjung Benoa Beach to enjoy thrilling activities. Hidden gems of Bali. 1. Sidemen. Rolling rice terraces, remote temples, and serene villages untouched by the tourist rush. 2. Munduk. A cool mountain village with aromatic coffee plantations. 3. Lovina. Black volcanic sands and early morning dolphin watching on traditional boats. 4. Tirtha Ganga. A royal water palace with fountains, koi ponds, and elegant Balinese carvings. 5. Bedugul. Misty highlands where Lake Bratin reflects the iconic Ulundanu temple, and Bali botanical gardens bloom with tropical beauty. 6. Virgin Beach. So untouched that even its name was inspired by its pristine charm. Bucket list stops. Don't miss these icons. 1. Jatilui Rice Terraces. 2. Bratin Lake. 3. Sunset at Tanah Lot. 4. Ye Ho Waterfall. 5. Banyumala Waterfall. Quick stops you'll love. 1. Ulundanu Bratin, a floating temple framed by misty mountains. 2. Sanu, a beach town with a timeless Balinese charm. 3. Chemeluk Bay, colorful coral reefs and serene waters. 4. Nusa Dua, pristine beaches, luxury resorts, and calm waters for water sports. 5. Kangu, one of the best places in the world to learn surfing. Famous for its gentle waves, hip cafes, street art, and laid-back beach vibe. 6. The Beach Love Kedungu. Colorful bean bags, sunset views, food and drinks, with rice fields, cliffs, and the sea all around. 7. Tagenangan Waterfall. Jungle cascades just outside Ubud. Voya Insider tip. Bali is safe, but to avoid Bali belly, which is a mild upset stomach, stick to bottled water and skip the tap water. For more such travel tips, follow our Instagram and Facebook page. Photo-worthy corners. 1. Lempuyang's Gates of Heaven with Mount Agung framed in the distance. 2. Colorful reefs of Blue Lagoon Beach. 3. Handara Iconic Gate. Once-in-a-lifetime experiences. 1. Joining a temple festival with locals. 2. Horse riding along the shores. 3. Canyoning through Git Git's jungle canyons. 4. Sea walking and flyboarding over Bali's turquoise waters. Taste and indulge. Local delights. 1. Nasi goreng. 2. Satai lilit. 3. Gado gado. Vegetarian. Bali has multiple plant-based cafes and Indian restaurants. You can try smoothie bowls, tempeh curries and vegan nasi goreng. In Ubud and Seminyak especially, vegetarian menus are more common. Voya Insider tip. Enjoy a hands-on Balinese cooking class and take the flavors home. Shopping and souvenirs. 1. Batik fabrics and sarongs. 2. Wooden carvings of sacred deities. 3. Aromatic Balinese spa oils and incense. Travel like a pro. Best time to visit? April to October for sunny skies and beach days. November to March for lush and green landscapes thanks to the rainy season. How many days do you need? 5 to 7 days for highlights. 10 to 12 days to really soak in Bali's charm. How do you get around? Private cars are the easiest way. Scooters work for short rides, but roads can be tricky. Scenic boat rides connect Bali to the Nusa Islands and Gili Islands. What to pack? Light fabrics, swimwear, sandals and a sarong. And don't forget sunscreen and insect repellent. Pocket-friendly hacks. Eat at Worongs, which are small family-run eateries. Also, did you know the Indian rupee is stronger than the Indonesian rupiah? Which means you can buy more for less while you're here? Still unsure? Chat with your Voya holiday manager to get a personalized itinerary for Bali, or visit the Create Your Itinerary section on voya.com to craft your holiday your way in just a few clicks.
Limited period holiday deals await, but not for too long. Book fast with voya.com.
If you found our content informative, do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to stay tuned.